A day would not be enough to feel life in this captivating town of Burgos. The thrilling caves, beautiful rock formations, and blue waters are what you can feast and more. To be welcomed by a valley with an awe-inspiring view of sublime fields and majestic mountains. Wake up to an infinite view of the sea in a shelter for every loving soul.
Kaway kuya. Eh.
There's no limit of stories you can imagine in this little paradise. I'm Bea, your teen traveler. Let's see how home, a word so dear in every heart, is defined by this beautiful coastal municipality dito sa Ganda Mo, Pangasinan. This is a memory worth remembering for a lifetime.